Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. When I've been out to eat, I have loved in the past getting authentic Turkish coffee, so I found a way to make it at home with this great little pot from BCS USA. It's amazing how well that this little pot makes authentic tasting coffee. Using ground Turkish coffee, I followed the simple to use instructions that were included with this pot. You get the pot with a little wooden spoon. And just like when you're making other homemade items, it's really important to stir the coffee the whole time that it's cooking. That way, all of the coffee grounds really get immersed into the hot water. You can place the coffee pot directly onto your stovetop, and thanks to the wooden handle, you have the option of not using a pot holder if you choose. I really also appreciated that this is made out of real copper. You can see the fine detailing up close, and it really just makes such a fun experience if you're looking for some authentic Middle Eastern coffee. I love that this pot really has given me all of the flavors that I was craving. You can add in your favorite milk or your favorite cardamom pods, and this coffee really tastes just like the real thing. But that's just my point of view.